This is Tony Faraday Fix channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to freeze your apps on your Samsung device. So if you want to freeze your apps on your Samsung device, then you need to actually watch this video. So there are actually two ways you can actually get this done on your Samsung device. So as we all know, there is no inbuilt app freezer on Samsung device. So there is no way you can actually freeze your apps with a system app on your Samsung device. Now for you to actually get it done, you need to go to your device just like this and go to settings. So right here on settings, click on the search button at the top right corner and click and search for battery. So go ahead and search for battery on your phone settings just like this and click on battery. You can see the percentage of your battery right here. Now right here you can see where it says background usage limits. So you can go ahead and click on that. So looking here, you can see where it says deep sleeping apps. So you can go ahead and click on that. So when you go to deep sleeping app, if there are apps you want to actually freeze, you can go right here where you can see the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the plus button just like this and select the apps you want to freeze. So let's take for instance, I only want to freeze Audiomack. I'm going to click on Audiomack, select Audiomack just like this and click on add. So once you do that, it is going to be on a deep sleep. Now it's not going to be consuming your battery and it is going to be just like an app you freeze on an app freezer app. So this is how you can actually freeze your app on your Samsung. This is the first method. The second method is to go back right here on your device. Stay on your settings just like this. You need to scroll down gently and click on apps. So if there's any app in particular you want to actually freeze, now let's say for instance you want to freeze I'm going to freeze this King James Bible app right here. So looking right here at the bottom here, you can see where it says for stop. So if you click on for stop, it is actually going to ask you if you really want to for stop this app. Now if you for stop this app, it is going to make the app stop working immediately and the app is going to be on the freeze mode. It is not going to be consuming your battery or working on your background. So these are the two ways you can actually freeze your apps on Samsung. Hope you found this video helpful. This channel is really for you. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell as well in order to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.